Meet the Wen family. The Wen family immigrated to the U.S. from China 5 years ago in search of better job opportunities and education for their children, Henry and Lucy. They live in Flushing, Queens, a neighborhood known for its vibrant Chinese immigrant community where Mandarin and Cantonese are widely spoken. Ping Wang, 42, works part-time at a grocery store. She is concerned about her son Henry's struggles, but unsure how to navigate mental health resources. Li Wen, 47, is a hard-working carpenter who values hard work. He is skeptical about mental health support and believes in resilience through hard work. They both have limited fluency in English. Henry, who immigrated at age 12, carries the weight of his parents' high expectations while struggling to adjust to a new language and culture. He often feels like an outsider due to his accent and cultural differences. As a junior, the pressure to choose a career path, ideally in medicine or law, as his parents expect, has intensified, leaving him feeling lost. To escape stress, Henry began spending excessive time on video games, skipping school, neglecting academics, and withdrawing from friends. Concerned by these changes, his school counselor recommended therapy, but his parents have mixed reactions. Ping is hesitant yet worried, while Li dismisses therapy altogether. On the other hand, Lucy, who immigrated at age 9, had an easier transition to life in the U.S., thanks to her age and quick mastery of English. Being at the same high school as Henry, she feels pressure to uphold the family's academic expectations, high-achieving and well-behaved. While Lucy tries to manage the stress on her own, she finds it difficult not to be a perfectionist. Normally, Lucy would want to share what's on her mind with her big brother, someone who she feels understood by in the family. However, lately, as she notices Henry's struggles, she keeps herself silent, leaving her anxiety festering.